26.
So it is doing the era vacuum problem, and all I do is go in the app and just hit play, the little vacuum or restart button. So when this first happened, I didn't know that I could just hit the little restart or play. I call it the play button, the little triangle. And that's what I'm doing here. When I did it, it just restarted to vacuum. And it was vacuuming even though I was getting the error code. So if you have this problem and you can go in, just watch it and make sure it does work. The first time I called customer service, they did not have it in stock. And they actually emailed me contact information for the company that makes it for them. And I think it was about $99, and somehow I lost that email, so I called them again, which is a couple months later. So I was running it without with this error, just re-hitting the play button. So if you have to buy it, that's what it was. I think it was about $99. I can't remember. So I called customer service, the customer service at iRobot, and this time they had it in stock, and they sent it to me at no charge.
Here we go.
Just got this from iRobot, so let's open it. Here's the blower. Uh-oh. Nope, give it that, give it. Be careful when you open it, because this came off and I have no idea where it was at. But here is the blower. So if you do get one of these, be careful. I didn't know where it went, but I see one right here, and I don't know if it's an extra or it came off. I don't see another place for it. In this video, I'm going to be replacing the blower module for my S9 Plus. It's actually the S9 Plus that we have here at our office, and this is the blower module that customer support sent me. They actually sent it to me at no charge, even though it is out of warranty. Sometimes they have these out of stock and you have to order it. I think it's like $99 from the company that actually makes them for iRobot. But that's it. It actually looks cool. It's got looks like a little turbo engine, or a little turbo part of the car. So that's what we're going to be putting. So if you will bear with me, when they customer support told me that they were going to send this, they also sent the video in their email for the installation. So I'm going to be in this video watching the video and doing what the YouTube video does. So hopefully I will get it right the first time. When they sent me the invoice, which had zero charge, they also sent me the link to the video, which I'm going to be using in this video to install my blower module. So keep in mind that I've never done this before. Pull up the S9 Plus blower module, and I can't remember how I got to the link, but I did eventually get to it. So, but it is nice to have the video of how to do it before you order it, so you kind of know what you're getting into before you do it. So let's get back to me installing it.
Open the lid and remove the bin. Close the lid and place the robot upside down on a flat surface. Using a screwdriver, loosen the 4 screws securing the cleaning head module.
4 screws. Okay, so I'm going to pause it. And my suggestion is, do not use cheap screwdrivers. Okay, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4 screws. I'm going to try this screwdriver. This is a really good brand of screwdrivers. They're not like, you don't want to get one that's, you know, it'll kind of strip the little hole for the screwdriver. So I'm going to do that. Probably not a good idea to have cats hanging around. We have not only have cats at home, but I have cats at the office. As you can see, their fur is everywhere. Just part of the life. Loose. Yes, that's right.
Using 2 hands, remove the cleaning head module.
make it look so easy. Oh, okay. Yep, it's working. And remove. There it is. Okay, keep playing.
Loosen the 4 screws on the bottom cover.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2.
Remove the bottom cover.
3. Well, I'm not as fast as you guys. The 4 screws are not like there's one here. Look where they are. One here, one here, one here, one here. It's not like that. It was kind of in funny places. Okay, I'm gonna remove it.
Locate the latch on the inside of the bin well. Press on the latch and pull up.
Okay. You don't want to lose the screws. Wait a minute. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm just leaving the screws in there so I don't lose them. Hopefully.
The wheel module.
What?
Using a screwdriver, remove the screw on the vacuum module.
All right.
Press on the latch. Remove the bottom cover. Locate the latch on the inside of the bin well. Press on the latch and pull up to remove the wheel module. Using a screwdriver, remove the screw on the vacuum module.
Okay, that was not pretty.
Using a screwdriver, remove the screw on the vacuum module.
Okay, I gotta find the screw. There's a screw. Oh gosh, this is a tiny screw. Here it is. See how little that screw is? That is so tiny.
Press down on the latch that holds the connectors together and pull the connectors apart. Pull up on the vacuum module to remove it. Be careful not.
Okay, so you gotta click it. You can zoom in here. You gotta kind of press it. This is kind of like the little things they have in the automower. Just there, okay? And then remove it. Don't do this with cats hanging around. That's my recommendation. How do you pull up on it?
Dislodge the baffle from the slot.
Okay.
On the latch that holds the connectors together and pull the connectors apart. Pull up on the vacuum module to remove it. Be careful not to dislodge the baffle from the slot.
Oh, you gotta do this whole thing.
Insert the new vacuum module.
You gotta pull the whole thing out.
Ensure that the cable is not pinched and the baffle is still in the slot after the vacuum module.
There's the new module. Uh-oh. Good to know which way it came out. It came out like that. So it's gonna go like this. In here. Look at that. Perfect fit, I hope. You don't want it to be kinked up. I don't know what they're saying.
Installed. Reached, and the baffle is still in the slot after the vacuum module is installed.
What did you just say?
Ensure that the cable is not pinched and the baffle is still in the slot
Okay.
after the vacuum module is installed.
What baffle are you talking about? I don't know.
Reconnect the cables and ensure the clip is fully secured.
What? Okay, it's not pinched. What is
Reconnect
this
the
picture?
cables and ensure the clip is fully secured. Reinstall the screw. Reconnect and the baffle is still in the slot after the vacuum module
Okay,
is
you just gotta
installed.
make sure this is not pinched. And I don't know what this picture is.
Reconnect the cables
Make sure-
and ensure the clip is fully secured.
This clips back in.
Reinstall the screw.
I'm not as fast as him. Where'd that screw go? Here? screw back on, so it fits in that slot. Put the screw back in.
Check that the motor is able to spin freely without obstruction.
And it's
Reinstall the wheel module. Place the bottom cover and cleaning head back into the robot. Place the bottom cover and cleaning head.
Okay, so which way does the wheel go?
Reinstall the wheel module.
The wheel's gonna go this way. So this is on the outside.
Place the bottom cover and cleaning head back into the robot.
See? It should click, right? There. Okay, that clicks because there's a little thing. Now,
Place the bottom cover and cleaning head back into the robot. Place the bottom cover and cleaning head
and
back into the robot.
he didn't say it, but you got to make sure that that clicks because remember you have the little latch and it clicked when I went in. And you do need to know which way the wheel goes. So, all right, let's keep going.
First, secure the screws on the bottom cover. Then, the screws on the cleaning head module.
And there's 4 screws, but see how the screws are, they're not like, they're in weird places. Like one here, one here, one here, one here. And you see I'm not tightening one screw up all down. I'm doing kind of all of them evenly. It's always good to do with the screws. Okay. And remember, you're putting metal screws into plastic, so you don't need to do it too tight. He must have a ratchet screwdriver.
Flip the robot over.
Okay. Oh, flip the robot.
Open the lid and reinstall the bin.
Done. All right. So this is the old blower motor, and these are little pieces of plastic that are coming out. I think they just got brittle. I have no idea where this plastic came from, inside or what. But anyway, that's the old blower motor, and let's give this robot a try and see if I don't get the error code anymore. Okay, where am I? I'm in the wrong robot. What I'm going to do is go and just do the office here, and it has been working. It's just that it does it for a little bit and then it stops. So let's see what it does. And it'll vacuum. What it's been doing is vacuum for a few minutes and then stop, and then it has the error code. So we're gonna have to let it run and see if it vacuums the whole room without doing the error code. Okay, so it just did a vacuum. It just did a vacuum this whole room and this office space. It'll usually vacuum and then get an error code like 2 or 3 times before it's done cleaning. But it did the whole office without the error code. So I think it's fixed. It still sounds funny.